So had this treatment with Mara where she's using sound and electricity on these crazy looking wands and moving them over my body in a certain pattern. And what she noticed is that some areas of my body that were more lumpy started to smooth out. Also, the wands will stick to tissue a little bit more where there's more lymphatic congestion. So where there's a little bit more fluid buildup, they'll tend to stick in that area. And then as you go over that area, it becomes smoother and smoother and doesn't stick as much. So that was really cool too. So afterwards, when I left, and I'm still noticing it today, that my legs feel smoother, not as lumpy and bumpy as they usually would. And then my armpits aren't as uncomfortable wearing my underwire bras that I wear. I'm not feeling that pokiness in my armpits. I also noticed that the feeling of something in the back of my throat associated with that upper respiratory virus that I had, like 80% better, 80% resolved. Sometimes you can notice puffiness underneath the eyes. So if you have puffiness underneath the eyes, that's a really good indication that you're having some lymphatic obstruction or that your immune system is struggling. So we talk about the allergic shiner or that puffiness underneath the eyes. So you can kind of see darkness or puffiness, which I don't think I have today. I think I look pretty good today. But I was starting to notice some of that last week. So really cool to see those effects and to see those effects last. One thing I said to Mara after our session was that I knew something was happening because I was becoming nauseous. So whenever you move lymphatics around, sometimes you can start to experience some nausea. And that was definitely the case. Not to the point where like I thought I was going to vomit or throw up. But it was just kind of like, I'm a little nauseous. We must be moving a lot of lymph around. As a person who had a lot of fascial tension, this is why I had such bad varicose veins as a teenager even. And actually, as I'm talking, I'm kind of like, what do my varicose veins look like? They actually look substantially less puffy. That was something I did not check or look at. But this was really cool to kind of have this done and to feel the difference.